Okay guys, today is going to be for days 8 through 10. So let's go ahead and get started. I know there are some worksheets that are in your packet that I do not have on the calendar. So if you guys will just keep on doing those along with the calendar, that would be great. So first thing on day 8, read 20 minutes and add to your reading log. All right, day 1 would be Monday, 2, 3, 4. 5 would be Friday. 6 is the weekend, so we should start a new one. 7 with Monday, and Tuesday would be day 8. And we've done this before since we've already been through this one time. So write one question you have before, during, or after reading. All right. Next thing is online lessons on iReady. I think we've talked about this before. Kids should know their number, and the password is going to be Yadkin123. And just make sure your state is at North Carolina. And kids should have 45 minutes in reading and 45 minutes in math each week. All right, the next thing is learn 2 new words daily. So that is with this piece of paper. I know at the top I wrote something like review, and then I drew a line where I wanted you to start. And if you'll just keep learning 2 new words every day, I know in school when we have done this, we've made up songs for the words, we've made up dance moves. So just do whatever's going to work. What's going to help them remember these words? All right, for writing, write about a time you were scared. I usually have the kids write at least 8 sentences. And if it's a spelling word that we've had before, I try to make them spell it correctly, starting sentences with capital letters, ending with periods or question marks or exclamation points. All right, math is the Ready Math packet, page 15 and 16. So what you're doing is finding the missing number. You can do that by subtracting, doing 52, take away 42 to get your missing number, or you can hold 42 in your hand and count up to 52. And that's just like this for all of the ones on page 15, and I'll probably be making another video talking about this. Same thing for page 16. You can subtract, doing, like for number 13, 70 take away 26. You can draw a number line from 26 to 70 and count up, and however many humps you have left will be your answer. And I'll make another video about this, so don't worry. All right, number of the week. This should be in the folder, and it should have day 8 written somewhere up here. Scholastics Learn at Home, day 8. So if you go to Scholastics, grade 1 and 2, week 2, then you're going to go to day 8, Earth, Science, Stars. Now this only has 10 days. I think in another video I made, I told you guys there were 20 days. Now, in the upcoming weeks, I have this on the calendar, but I have something else I'm going to replace it with, and I'll talk more about that later. So after Scholastics Learn at Home, day 8, Mystery Science, How Do Germs Get Inside Your Body? So we go to Mystery Science, mysteryscience.com/school-closure-planning. Grade 2, How Do Germs Get Inside Your Body? All right, next we move on to day 9. Read 20 minutes. Add to your reading log. So that would be Wednesday, and we talked about the setting in one of my other videos. I know not everything's going to have a specific time, but there should be a specific place that they can talk about and put for the setting. Raz Kids Level Up. We go to Raz Kids, Kids Login, click on a name. Their password is ABC. Level Up. You can pick from any books, listen, read a book, and you can take a quiz. All right, learn 2 new words daily. That's still this paper right here. For writing, we have free write. You can also revise or edit another piece of your writing. So anything you've written before while you're at home, if you notice that your child has not put capital letters before or missed a few periods, or if their writing just doesn't make sense, you can help them and they can fix those writings. They can make corrections on the writing they have and then rewrite it on a new sheet of paper to make it better. Math, Ready Math Packet, page 17 through 20. So page 17, all this is place value. So they should see this and know that this is written in expanded form. They can even make a TO chart if they would like to, and know that 300 plus 50 plus 1 makes 351. 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 7 ones makes 267. And they're pretty good at this, so this should be an easy one for them. All right, writing 3-digit numbers. 164. This is basically the stuff we do in Number of the Week, and they've done this every week since school started. So they should be able to read 164 and then write 164. I know that's kind of messy. All right, and we go through page 20 on that one. So this is writing it in expanded form. How that looks, and the kids should know this. 522. Write the number as sums of hundreds, tens, and ones. Then write the number using words. 522. Like I said, this is part of Number of the Week, so they should be pretty familiar with this. They might need some help spelling. All right, page 20. Compare the numbers in each problem 2 different ways. So we talked about how on this side, it's kind of like a shark. And the shark is very hungry, so it's going to eat the bigger number. And I'll make another video about these pages. Online lessons in iReady. Money worksheets. So I know I have this in your packet. I cannot remember what day I put this. It should say Lesson 24, Solving Word Problems Involving Money. This is just going to help them skip count and count on. I know I've posted some other videos on YouTube of coin songs and getting familiar with the coins. If you'll just have them do these worksheets, and just if you have extra change laying around your house, just have them count that out. That would be really good practice. I think stuff like this and time, it's just something they're going to have to practice, and it'll just come over time. And then I showed you this, but I also know that these are in your packet somewhere too. Cannot remember what days these are on. But if they'll just write the value of each amount of money next to it, and then these are actually the word problems for it. All right, Mystery Science, why is there sand at the beach? We go back to mysteryscience.com/school-closure-planning. Why is there sand at the beach? And then for day 10, read 20 minutes and add to reading log. So day 10 should be Thursday. Nouns are a person, place, or thing. Proper noun is a specific person's name or a specific place's name. Adjectives are describing words, so words that describe our noun or pronoun or proper noun. And a verb is an action word. Then we have read on Epic, sign in, hold on, let's go to students, select your class, DDU 1924 is our class code. And then after Epic, we have Raz Kids Level Up again. Learn 2 new words. It's this page right here. Write about what you have learned while out of school. Ready Math Packet, page 21. So this is adding our 3-digit numbers with regrouping. And I'll make another video about this one too. And then for math, I just have counting coins. So like I said, if you have some extra change laying around the house, it might be a good chance for the kids to just hold the money, know what a nickel, penny, and dime is. I know I posted some other videos. Just get in some practice. And then Scholastics Learn at Home Day 10. So this will be the last day of Scholastics Learn at Home. So day 10, Math and Science Measurement. And this would be really good for them because we've actually just finished measurement in math right before all this happened. And then Mystery Science, how does hand sanitizer kill germs? Another really good one. How does hand sanitizer kill germs? This is a really quick one, so it shouldn't take a whole lot of time. All right, and that's all for days 8 through 10.